Xiaomi India launches Mi Eco Active t-shirt made out of recycled PET bottles. Almost a year after launching the Mi Organic t-shirt in India, Xiaomi has further expanded its lifestyle portfolio in the country by launching the Mi Eco Active t-shirt. According to Xiaomi, each t-shirt is made out of 12 recycled PET bottles collected from different parts of the country. The company further claims that the t-shirts are exclusively made in India for fitness enthusiasts, and are breathable, sweat-absorbent and skin-friendly. According to Xiaomi's official press release, the Mi Eco Active t-shirts are made in India, products manufactured using the yarn of discarded PET bottles. The yarn consumes just 10 liters of water for recycling every kilogram of plastic yarn, as compared to a normal cotton t-shirt which takes about 23,000 liters of water to process the same, the company said. Xiaomi further claims that these t-shirts save up to 70% of carbon emission in comparison to a regular cotton t-shirt, and comes with tags embedded with basil seeds that can be sown to grow basil plants. Xiaomi also says that the eco-friendliness of the t-shirts extend to their packaging as well. The Mi Eco Active t-shirts come in a canister packaging, see image below, which, the company says, can be used as a pot for sowing those tag seeds. In terms of usability, Xiaomi claims that the Mi Eco Active t-shirts are soft, skin-friendly and odor-free. The recyclable polyester material of the t-shirt also acts as a quick moisture absorbent, making sure that your t-shirt is relatively dry even during your intense workout sessions, said the company. According to Xiaomi, the t-shirts are made with 100% polyester threads and can be recycled again in the future. The Mi Eco Active t-shirt comes in a single white color and is available on mi.com through crowdfunding at a price of 999 rupees.